Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution for mathematics and computer science for OA level. Today we shall discuss question number 2 of paper 3 pure mathematics session by June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. For question number 2, solve the equation ln of 2x square minus 3 equal to 2 ln x minus ln 2. Giving your answer in an exact form. So first of all, the given equation is ln of 2x square minus 3 equal to 2 ln x minus ln 2. Before we start the solution of the question, we should know two formula for the ln. The ln x over y means we can write it in the difference form, like ln x minus ln y. And the second formula, ln x raised to the power n equal to n ln x, the exponent principle of the ln. So in this case, ln of 2x square minus 3 equal to ln, we are applying the power principle on this term. So we write ln x square minus ln 2. Now we can write this term in the form of the division, like by using this formula of the ln. So ln x square over 2. When we have ln on both sides, we can cancel it because e raised to the power ln equal to 1. By cancelling ln on both sides, we get 2x square minus 3 equal to x square over 2. After simplification, we get x square equal to 2, x equal to plus minus 2 under root. We are not taking the minus 2 because minus 2 under root is undefined in ln. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.